Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the water. Yeah, we're down here on the backside of Topsail Beach. See if we can pick up whatever she's got to offer. Flounder, red, trout. Current is extreme. I'm going into current right now. Is extremely strong. Tide's dropping. It shouldn't be too much longer. It should settle out. But yeah, it's getting strong. So we're gonna see what we can do, and hopefully we'll hook up with something. All right, guys. So we're just right now we're trolling. I've got a Yozuri diving plug on there. We're just gonna troll a little bit. Get up this way, start throwing out paddle tail, some soft bait. This is what I came here for today, is lizard fish. Come on, buddy. Get off of there. I'm gonna wrap it around that thing. Barnacle. Oh yeah, it's running. Wonder what it is. God, I hate these things. I hate these lizard fish. I really, really do. God, I hate it. Oh, guys, it is windy. I've been plugging along, fighting the current. It's slowed down. Wind is battering me, and I'm catching lizard fish. But that's all right. We're fishing, right? Oh, look what I got here. A ton of grass or something. It's a fish. I got to get up around this dock here. Oh yes, nice flatty. Nice flounder. Oh yes. Nice. head out. Nice. Nice flounder. Yeah. Let's get out here where we can see what we got here. I don't have my lip grips, and he has swallowed that bait. Hold on. That is a decent flounder. That is definitely a keeper if they were in season. This horse has swallowed my nest down. I mean, gone swallowed. Can't even see it. Come on, dude. Let's see if we can get him out of there and get a measurement on him. That, my friends, is not a bad flounder. Not a bad flounder at all. What a beauty. What a beauty. Let's turn him loose. I hate to. Right. Good deal. I'm afraid he might not make it. Because that hook was pretty deep in his throat. But there's not a lot I can do about it. I can't keep him. Because wildlife's going to tell you, hey, other fish got to eat too. Man, that was a nice flounder. Let's see if we can find that hole again. Cool deal. I thought I was going to get skunked today by the lizard fish. Cool deal. Alright guys, we're still trying. I don't think I'm going to beat that flounder though. Not today. But we're still trying. Nice out here. It is windy. Making me tired. I think we're probably going to call it a day. That big of a made a day right there. So, and the wind's just picking up even more. So we're going to get a lot of boat traffic out here. As you can see, now these are actually boats. They're not white caps, but it's blowing pretty good out here. And I don't have my external microphone, so you're getting a full effect of the wind. I'll get some of that way there, friend. Try to turn around, get these wake out of my way. Alright. Alright. Yeah. Had a good day. Big old flatty. Sure made my day. Guys, thanks for joining me. We're going to head back to the hill. Go down. glass of rum. All right, guys, thanks for joining me. Sorry I couldn't catch more, but that one big flounder made my day. And yours. You guys take care, and I will catch you guys later.